X minus 9 whole square is equal to 81. We have to find all the solutions for x. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So this we can expand as a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore we can write it as x square minus 2 times x times 9 plus 9 square is equal to 81, or x square minus 18x plus 81. We can send 81 to the left hand side. It will be minus 81 is equal to 0. Now plus 81 and minus 81 gets cancelled. We have x square minus 18x is equal to 0. Now let's take here x common and write x parenthesis x minus 18 is equal to 0. Now when a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. That means we have two solutions for x, when x is equal to 0 and when x minus 18 is equal to 0. In that case, x is equal to 0 plus 18, that is x is equal to 18. So two solutions for x are 0 and 18. We can also find these two solutions considering it a quadratic equation and using the discriminant formula. We have x square minus 18x, x square minus 18x, where a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 18, c here is nothing, so we can write 0 here. Discriminant formula is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac upon 2a, and it is under square root. So x is equal to minus b, it means minus 18 plus minus 18 square minus 4 times 1 times 0 upon 2a is 2 times 1, or x is equal to minus minus plus, so it is positive 18 plus minus here is inside the bracket, so this will also be squared, so it will be positive 324 under square root. 4 times 0 is 0, so it is 0 here upon 2. Now x is equal to 18 plus minus square root of 324 is 18 upon 2. So first solution for x is when 18 minus 18 upon 2, so it is equal to 0. Second solution is when 18 plus 18 upon 2, 18 plus 18 is 36 upon 2, so it is equal to 18. So x is equal to 0 or 18. We can verify this solution. X minus 9 whole square is equal to 18 is equal to 81. When x is equal to 0, then 0 minus 9 whole square, it is minus 9 square, so it will be positive 81. So it is LHS is equal to RHS. When x is equal to 18, then 18 minus 9 whole square, 18 minus 9 is 9, 9 square is equal to 81, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and 18. These are the two solutions. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.